Welcome to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Public Sector Superannuation Scheme. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Public Sector Superannuation Scheme login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this page. On this page, click on the login button located at top right. Then click on members and pensioners. After that, you'll be taken to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide a username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. And in case if you don't remember your username, you can click on this link to retrieve it. After that, enter your password. And again, if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And you can recheck your password by clicking on this icon and it will reveal your password. And if this is your first time, you can register for a new account by clicking on this link. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.